through the ceiling.
Oh, brilliant.
Chocolates, that's good, yeah.
Yeah, as long as you got the chocolates. Well, I can personally vouch for today's torrential downpours because when I left for work, it was actually raining in my kitchen. Never a good start to the working day. And here are those showers, some of them banded together to give longer spells of rain, and some of this was heavy and thundery too. And even in the next hour or so, there's still the potential for 40 to 50 millimetres of rain in places. But for some of us, in between those showers, there was some blue sky and sunshine. So tonight we'll see the last of those showers from today clearing away to the south. Then it becomes dry and largely cloudless. We may just get a few more showers feeding down from the north later, and it's going to be chilly. Those northwesterly winds importing colder air. Temperatures for some of us were down to around 3 to 7 Celsius, so potentially 10 degrees lower than last night in places. And it is quite windy out there in some parts of the region, and later on we could have gusts of 45 miles per hour for a time around the Suffolk and Essex coast. So tomorrow, high pressure building in from the west sets up this northwesterly flow. That's likely to bring in a few showers, but for most of us, a much better day tomorrow with lots of October sunshine. But after a chilly start, it's going to be pretty cold. Highs of only about 13 or 14 Celsius in places. And then as we head into Thursday, this front pushing towards us. High pressure, though, for us holds on. So potentially a frost for some on Thursday morning, but it should be largely fine and dry during daylight hours. Cloud increasing eventually from the west and probably some rain after dark. Temperatures again around sort of 13 or 14 Celsius at best, but we lose the northwesterly winds on Thursday eventually. And Friday, well, this low pressure is associated with ex-hurricane Lorenzo. Not quite sure what it's going to do on Friday or over the weekend, but it does look like it's going to introduce some outbreaks of rain. So turning unsettled, we're not quite sure about the detail at this stage, but becoming milder again. And as I already mentioned, it is going to be quite cold on Thursday morning because on Wednesday night we could have temperatures down close to freezing, then it becomes milder, and then temperatures becoming closer to average, which at this time of year is around 7 Celsius overnight.